Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the impressive capabilities of the Caterpillar D911 Bulldozer, the 2025 model that's redefining construction machinery. Whether you're a contractor, heavy equipment enthusiast, or just curious about groundbreaking technology, this machine is sure to catch your attention. Let's start with the design. The Caterpillar D911 boasts a sleek yet robust build, with its signature yellow finish that represents durability and power. From the heavy-duty tracks to the precision-engineered front blade, every component is crafted to handle the most demanding tasks. The advanced cabin is designed for operator comfort, featuring an ergonomic layout, state-of-the-art controls, and exceptional visibility, making long work hours less taxing and more productive. One of the standout features of the D911 is its next-generation powertrain. Caterpillar has equipped this machine with an enhanced engine that delivers unparalleled power and fuel efficiency. This bulldozer is built to move mountains, literally. Whether it's clearing land, leveling terrain, or handling massive loads of debris, the D911 handles it all with ease while minimizing environmental impact. When it comes to precision, the D911 leads the way. Integrated with Caterpillar's cutting-edge technology, the machine offers GPS-based guidance systems that allow for pinpoint accuracy in grading and excavation tasks. Operators can set predefined parameters, and the bulldozer will execute with precision, reducing waste and ensuring every project meets exact specifications. This level of automation not only saves time but also cuts operational costs, a feature that contractors are sure to appreciate. Durability is another key aspect of the D911. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, this bulldozer features reinforced steel construction and advanced hydraulic systems that ensure peak performance, even in the toughest environments. Routine maintenance is made simpler with easily accessible service points, which means less downtime and more productivity. Safety, of course, is a priority. The D911 is equipped with multiple safety features, including cameras, sensors, and an intuitive alert system to keep the operator and surrounding team members safe. The smart braking system and advanced traction control provide added stability on uneven or slippery terrain, making this machine a reliable choice for any job site. Let's talk about versatility. The D911 isn't just a one-trick pony. It can be paired with a variety of attachments, allowing it to handle a wide range of tasks. From ripper attachments for breaking up tough ground to specialized blades for fine grading, the D911 adapts to your needs. And for those who value sustainability, the D911 doesn't disappoint. Caterpillar has incorporated eco-friendly features into this model, including reduced emissions and optimized fuel consumption. It's a machine that not only gets the job done but also aligns with modern environmental standards. The Caterpillar D911 Bulldozer is truly a marvel of engineering, combining power, precision, and innovation. It's built for professionals who demand the best and won't settle for anything less. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more deep dives into industry-leading equipment. If you have questions or want to share your thoughts on the D911, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.